Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the fight, the lesson of It So Happened. My dear students, please pay your attention. In this lesson, we are going to know that Ranji had come to Rajpur only recently. He had not yet made any friends there. There were hills and forests on all sides of Rajput. He roamed in these places alone. It was very hot. One day he discovered a pool in the forest. The water in the pool was clear. It came there from a cluster of rocks. In the monsoon, the water came in large quantities. During the summer, the flow was weak, yet it never dried up like the pools of Rajputana deserts. Ranji got into the water. He knew swimming. He had so far known only the muddy pools of Rajputana deserts. The pool was much better. His body was free of fat. It shone in the sunlit water. What's happened, my dear students? The next day Ranji came again. He enjoyed a lot in the coolness of the water. After an hour, he lay to relax on the smooth rocks. It was then that he noticed a boy staring at him in a hostile manner. He was a little older than Ranji and had a well built body. He stood on the edge of the pool. He seemed waiting for Ranji to explain his presence there. The boy asked Ranji why he was there. Ranji wanted to be friendly, so he ignored the other boy's hostility. He asked him to join him in the enjoyment. The other boy didn't like it. He came closer to Ranji, who was now sitting on the rock. He said that he was a Punjabi and didn't like to talk to villagers. Ranji said that he was a Rajput, not a villager. The Punjabi tried his best to scare away Ranji. When Ranji didn't run away, he warned that he would beat him. Now Ranji claimed vehemently of being a Rajput. The other boy claimed of being a Punjabi. The Punjabi boy made a strange hissing sound. They stared each other in the eye of a minute. Then the Punjabi boy slapped Ranji across the face with all his strength. Ranji felt dizzy. Thick red finger marks were there on his face. Then Ranji pushed a hard, bony fist into the other's face. My dear students, please again pay attention. Then they were at each other's throats, fighting. They rolled into the shallows of the pool. Even in the water, they continued fighting, yet, after 5 minutes, both of them stood exhausted. Standing at a distance from each other, both of them spoke proudly of their states. Then the Punjabi boy had an inspiration. He proposed to continue fighting next day. Ranji agreed. Then they left the forest by different routes. Thank you.